Hi YouTube, Arctic Jim AJ here with the new May 15th volume 11 apparently, Jamla Journal. The Forgotten Desert's out, which is a new Eagle adventure, yay. Hummingbirds are back and for the diamond shop. New hyena video. I knew it was a hyena. I knew it. And speaking of which, they are so cute. So cute, you guys. Just, wow. I love their laughing. They sound like chipmunks. Anyway, den portals. I don't see the purpose in these because you have your buddy list, but whatever. Summer Carnival's coming back. I want a Stegosaurus tail and a raccoon tail. I want them. Anyway, everything 50% off there. New blog displaying thingy, whatever. And yeah, that's it. So, also, guys, for the next, like, 10 minutes or something, wait, I'll look. 11 minutes right now, but it'll probably be 10 soon. I will be hosting the Forgotten Desert in my unlocked den, so you can come if you want. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye. Yeah. Wait, guys, never mind about the adventure thing. I'll just, whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.